Alright, hello YouTubers, this is Road Trek Ralph. Today's video is the final installation of my classic auto air conditioning kit. This is just a quick overview of some of the stuff I had to remove for the AC kit. So this is the original fan, 4-bladed fan. I went ahead and swapped that out for a clutch fan, 6-bladed clutch fan that I found at a junkyard. Here's a heater assembly. There's the defrost ducts, the control panel, the original control panel. So the instructions under the classic auto air instruction manual say to, disconnect all this stuff. You don't really need to. If you're taking this off in one unit, this will come off with it. So here's the glove box that had to come out. This is an AM radio, the original AM radio. If you're anything like me, one project is going to lead to another. So this AC install ended up also being a stereo upgrade video, and I'll cover that as well. But here's the heater box cover that's under the hood in the engine. The kick panel assembly, I went ahead and cut all this stuff out. I don't need this on the kick panel. I had to block off the original vents anyway. So that's just a quick overview, some of the stuff that had to come out. Now before I show you this install, you're probably going to laugh at my car stereo, but really quick I want to cover this. When I first bought this car, I didn't realize that it was as original as it was. I didn't realize it had the original motor, original numbers matching transmission, original numbers matching rear end. I didn't realize that all the wiring was never been cut, never been spliced into. Nothing had ever been cut on this car. So before I got into it, before I started cutting the dash, putting the air conditioning, before I put my LS engine, I haven't done that yet. Before I did any of that, I tried to put the car up for sale. I wanted this car to go to somebody who was going to restore it to its original marina blue color, original everything. It's not too far from that. This car is not too far from that. So I put it up for sale. It didn't sell. Nobody wanted it. Nobody was interested. Nobody cared. So I went ahead and chopped it up. I went ahead and cut it up. It hurt. It broke my heart to do it, but hey, I'm gonna keep it. It's a keeper. So anyway, here's the air conditioning. Look how cold it gets, folks. 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, there's the huge evaporator coil, or the huge evaporator housing I was talking about in my previous video. Now if you're anything like me, one project's going to lead to another, and this one led to the air conditioning install led to let me turn this off. So the air conditioning install led to a audio upgrade. This car only had an AM radio, the original AM radio. So I went ahead and put this DVD player that I got from my brother, and put a subwoofer in the back, put some 6x9s in the back, and then I put this little swap meet radio up in the front. It works pretty good, I like it. Alright, let's go under the hood. Alright, here's under the hood right here. There's the condenser, the dryer, the compressor, the brackets, the hoses. If you notice here, this is the heater box, the original heater box cover. I didn't remove it. I just cut it. Yeah, there was maybe an element of laziness involved there, but I didn't want to remove the inner fender or the outer fender. Like I said, it's my vehicle. I want to keep it, so I want to do it, the way I like it. And I really like this system. It gets really nice and cold, and I'm happy. Remember, folks, as long as you're happy doing with what you're doing, then you're good to go. As long as you're happy, as long as it makes you happy. This makes me happy. I know it's ugly, looks dirty. I gotta clean this up. But anyway, Road Trek Ralph signing out. You have a good one, YouTubers.